This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
How you doing, guys? It is August 11th, 2019, Sunday night. We're gonna do the giveaway for that H10 Pro. Now, Value Testers made this giveaway possible, and they basically said they want to give back to the community for you guys buying their tools and stuff like that. So Value Testers, which is a sponsor for the channel, had sent me this H10, which is basically a leak finder, a refrigerant leak finder, H10 Pro, and it's the wireless one, which is very nice. I do run the H10 Pro, H10G, which is the kind you have to plug in. But this one here, I'm gonna do a little video and show you how it works and all that stuff. It's brand new in the box, never used. All right, guys, this is gonna be the next giveaway. Bacharach. Now, the sponsor for the channel, which is Value Testers, did send this out, so this is all being put together, through Value Testers. They're the ones that sent me this for a giveaway. Look at that. Bacharach H10 Pro leak detector. Brand new, still in the box. So I want to go over, the stipulations for entering to win. And now this one's battery operated. It's got the little sniffer. It's got the little balls and the filters. There's a little ball in here, and the filters go in the end here. So when you start it up, you'll see a little ball in there floating around. This way here, you can know it's working. It's battery operated. Heater adjustment here for more sensitivity. This is where the little sensor is. It has to be changed every so often. Plugs in right here. Nice little setup. Now the one I have is you have to plug it into the wall. It's not battery operated. And it comes with a little charger that plugs in right here. Off, charge, and you're plugging it in, then on. You gotta do is you gotta let it warm up a bit. Here's the reference right here. You're supposed to let it warm up a little bit. Let's see if we can adjust the calibration. Okay, we adjusted the calibration up a little bit. See, mine don't have this OK and all that on there. You gotta put a ball in it. It doesn't have a ball. Just comes off. See that little filter in there? You gotta put a... There should be a ball floating in there, but it don't have one. I don't know why. Yeah, so on this reference bottle, I'm pretty sure you have to take that little thing off of there, and there's a small hole in there. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. Alright, so we know it works. When you're using this thing, you gotta turn it on, let it warm up a little bit. Like I said, I got the H10G, which I have, and you have to plug it in. This one's battery operated, which I kind of like that idea. It's got a low battery light. Comes with the extra filters and the little balls that float in there to be able to tell you if you're getting suction on it, right? Put all that back together. And we'll, comes with a little strap. Just like that, and this locks down. Which this one is, the Pro is a little bit bigger than the one I have, but it's still very nice, very nice. So we want to thank Value Testers for allowing you guys to have a chance to do the giveaways. They send these things to me so I can give them away to my subscribers. They want to give back to the community. If you guys need anything, go over to Value Testers and check them out. And I got everything you might need over there for great pricing. So, to be eligible to win, I got a little diagram here. Today is the 11th, August 11th, 2019. So on this video here, leave a comment below with Value Testers and H10 Pro. So in the comment, you have to put that, Value Testers H10 Pro. And then you can say whatever else you want, but that has to be in a comment or you won't be eligible to win. Must live in the USA for the shipping, because the shipping costs going to Canada and overseas is very expensive. I will pick the winner in a week, probably next Saturday or Sunday night, which would be, 8, 18, 19, something like that. And, hopefully you win. And they're sending me more stuff to do giveaways. So every couple of weeks I do a giveaway. Usually I run it for a week and then I'll pick the winner and give the guy, 3-4 days to respond. So far everybody has responded, and so I'll put a little video together with showing you what the H10 Pro looks like, and I take it out of the box and I start it up, and you can kind of see what it's like. But hopefully you guys win. Like I said, big shout out to Value Testers and Bacharach for making this giveaway possible. Now, I'm just passing the stuff on. The guy sends it to me to give it away to my subscribers to give back to the community. So, you thank Value Testers for making this possible, to be able to do the giveaways. And then once the one is picked, I send them the name, address, and phone number, and they send me a shipping label, so I don't have to pay for shipping. So they take care of the shipping also. But that was one of the stipulations that they said that, in the United States, because shipping it overseas can get very expensive. And like I said, Value Testers Value Testers is a sponsor for the channel, and it's all made possible through them. All right, guys, I'll put a little video together for you.